we continue with Eugenio Moro, I hope I pronounced correctly, from the Politecnico di Milano and the Northeastern University. And he will talk about IA-BEST, an integrated access and backhaul 5G testbed for large-scale experimentation.
Okay, thank you everyone. My name is Eugenio, and in the booth I'll show you more in the details about our testbed that reproduces integrated access and backhaul on Colosseum specifically. But yeah, sorry guys.
We can also take this one.
Okay, and so I don't have much time right now. So for whoever doesn't know what IAB is and why it's important, please comment our group and we have to discuss that. But this is the functional architecture of IAB. On the left, we have the IAB node that is comprised by an MP and a new, and on the right we have the AP, which is a backhaul application protocol that basically makes this is the layer that makes IAB work. And this is not available in OpenAirInterface or SRS Run or anything else that's software implemented. So we have to hack our way through OpenAirInterface to make it work, to make OpenAirInterface work as an IAB network. And what we did is basically the donor is a Geno B and the DU is a Geno B. There was the functional split CU and DU in OpenAirInterface, but it was not actually ready at the time we started this work. So DU is again a Geno B. And then T, which anyway works as a UE, is an OpenAir UE. And this is how we are emulating IAB and IAB node using OpenAirInterface, and then we have to modify the core network, the packet gateway basically, to make sure that we could relay traffic through the DNTs, which are basically U. And what we have at the end is we have nested tunnels, GTP tunnels, which include a little bit of overhead, but not too much. We did some calculation that was fine. You can come to our group if you want the details about this. And this is how we made OpenAirInterface work as an IAB network, and this could work anywhere on your lab setting. But then we put this on Colosseum, which both Michele and Kaushik have mentioned. It's a very large network emulator, and with Colosseum we basically exploit its scaling capability to reach to this point where we have, well, this is an ideal configuration. One core network, one donor, and multiple IAB nodes and multiple UEs, which are instantly deployed and controlled from a single point of control, and that you can use to run your experiment via IAB nodes in a large scale fashion. And that's all. Thank you very much. If you're interested, please to come to our booth to discuss in detail and to see the demonstration. Thank you.